Imagine biting into a juicy burger in 2050, but it's not beef. In fact, it didn't come from an animal at all. By then, the way we eat could look so different, you might not even recognize your own dinner plate. Welcome to the Fact Frenzy, where today we're diving into the mind-blowing future of food. And trust me, you'll never look at your next meal the same way again. The population boom. Here's the problem. By 2050, there will be nearly 10 billion people on Earth. That's like adding another China and India combined to the planet. Feeding everyone the way we do now? Impossible. Why? Because raising cows, pigs, and chickens already uses up almost 80% of farmland, yet it only provides less than 20% of our calories. That's a crazy imbalance. So what's the solution? Lab-grown meat. Get ready for lab-grown meat. Scientists can now take a single cell from a cow and grow it into a steak without ever raising the animal. The first lab-grown burger in 2013 cost $330,000. By 2050, it could be cheaper than the real thing. Imagine a world where eating beef doesn't require cows at all. Bugs on your plate. And here's a fact that might make you squirm. Insects might become your everyday snack. Over 2 billion people already eat bugs today. Crickets in Thailand, mopane worms in Africa, even fried tarantulas in Cambodia. They're high in protein, low in fat, and way better for the planet than cattle. By 2050, your protein bar might actually be cricket flour. Crunchy, right? Ocean farms and algae. But the ocean will play a huge role too. Seaweed grows faster than any land crop and is packed with nutrients. Some scientists say kelp farms could feed the entire planet. Then there's spirulina, a blue-green algae used by NASA for astronauts. It grows in ponds, needs almost no land, and has more protein per gram than steak. Future smoothie? Probably glowing green. Geography twist. And geography might reshape your dinner table too. Countries with limited farmland like Singapore or the UAE are already building vertical farms, skyscrapers full of lettuce and strawberries. Imagine a 40-story building in the middle of Dubai, but instead of offices, it's all kale. The wild ideas. Some predictions go even further. Scientists are exploring 3D printed food, where a machine prints your dinner like it's ink on paper, or personalized nutrition, where your DNA decides your exact meal plan. And here's a fun one. In Japan, researchers are experimenting with turning food waste into edible, recycled meals. Yes, you could literally be eating yesterday's leftovers, remade as today's dinner. Surprising takeaway. So in 2050, your dinner plate might include lab-grown steak, cricket tacos, seaweed noodles, and maybe even a 3D printed chocolate cake for dessert. So what do you think? If the future of food is bugs, algae, and lab-grown burgers, would you dare take the first bite? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next unbelievable fact about our wild, wonderful planet. See you in the next video.